Our help is in the name of the Lord who made heaven and earth. Friends, welcome here today. Every year we gather first Friday of December, or at least back to it now, to bless the creche, the nativity scene. In anticipation, first of all, tonight, light up Perry Square, so Gannon will have a meaningful presence that will encourage many to walk by and reflect on the true meaning of Christmas. I want to call forth two things. Many of you may remember Charles M. Schulz's beloved Charlie Brown Christmas. And there's a famous scene where Charlie Brown says, "Can someone please tell me what Christmas is all about?" And so center stage, lights out, spotlight, cue Linus Van Pelt. And so Linus tells the story from the Gospel of Luke. It came to pass in those days, the decree went out from Caesar Augustus, and he tells the beloved Christmas story. There's two significant moments in that, if you pay attention closely, that and following. At the point when Linus says the words of the angel, "Fear not, I bring you tidings of great joy," not everyone noticed he drops the blanket. You know, his famous security blanket, he drops the blanket at the words, "Fear not." That the words of the angel have somehow given him a clarity of insight. Now he'll pick the blanket back up again as the scene ends. But then he drops the blanket one other time. And when is that? When Charlie Brown is so dismayed about his humble tree, and Linus says, "It just needs a little love." And what does he do? He wraps the blanket around it. I mean, if you want to see the meaning of Christmas, it's that fear casts out love. And God comes to us in the innocence of the Holy Child of Bethlehem. Jesus comes not in some great powerful figure, but in the innocence and vulnerability of a child who's totally helpless and born poor. And so that those words, "Fear not, tidings of great joy." And this will be the image, the message that will radiate on this square from this university, and may also reflect the joy in our hearts of our own vulnerability and the encouragement we receive from others and give to others. And so we're grateful once again. I'd love to make a shout out to our wonderful maintenance crew who set this up every year, and they kind of are reminiscent. There's more of them, but if you ever saw the John Wayne film Three Godfathers, it's one of the best Christmas message movies ever. Kind of remind me of these guys, you know, the desperados of the West who accompany a young woman in a terrible circumstance where she's giving birth, and they protect her and guard her and shelter her. And they're the ones who protect and guard and shelter this beautiful scene so that we may enjoy it. And so in this, we now pray and ask for God's blessing, and then we'll conclude with a brief hymn sung by a makeshift ragamuffin scholar that I'm proud to be part of. Longed for Messiah, you came in humility to bring us peace. You came in truth to bring us justice. The beauty of your holy face bears the promise that God our Father will provide for us in all things. O Christ, you are the Prince of Peace. Bless the world with peace, the poor with care and prosperity, the despairing with hope and confidence, the grieving with comfort and gladness, the oppressed with freedom and deliverance, the suffering with comfort and relief. Loving Jesus, you are the only real joy of every human heart. And through you, we ask this blessing upon this nativity scene, that we may be reminded and comforted in the sure and certain hope that you came to be one like us, to redeem us, to bring us to the change of heart, where we may be restored in all our relationships, and that we may encounter the peace of your eternal kingdom.
The lights came on.
Thank you.
lineage coming, as saints God's love aright. She bore to us a Savior, when half spent was the night. This flower whose fragrance tender with sweetness fills the air, dispels with glorious splendor the darkness everywhere. True man, yet very God, from sin and death he saves us, and lightens every load.
May God bless us, protect us, bless those who love us, and keep us always in His safety care. So, happy December, Advent, foreshadowing of a Merry Christmas, and hope to see you later this evening when this is all lit up. God bless you. Thank you.